This is a tutorial on how to use Flipgrid to create your Global Build Challenge submissions. So what you're going to do when you go to the Flipgrid link provided is you're going to join with Microsoft. And when you click on that, you're going to select your Focus Learning email. If you're having trouble getting your Focus Learning email, if it keeps defaulting to another email you used, like your school Gmail, you can go to these three dots and click on New Incognito window and put in the Flipgrid link there. You can also get there by pushing Control-Shift-N or Command-Shift-N if you're on a Mac. This should forget your school email and you should be able to log in with your Focus Learning account. So once you're here, you're going to read through what you need to do and you're going to add your response. Now remember, these responses can only be 2 minutes, so you're going to have to keep it tight. So when we go to add our response, the first thing we have to do is go to Options, and we're going to record our screen. In these videos, we're not supposed to have identifying information. So when you go to record your screen, if you get a little pop-up with footage from your camera with your face on it, you can just click on the little X to get rid of it. So this isn't as important because we're going to turn that camera off. We want to make sure that we're using our good microphone. Now this often defaults me to the wrong one. It usually defaults me to my webcam, which it's doing right now. So I'm going to make sure I've selected my good mic so I get good quality audio. Then I'm going to start the screen recording. So now I can go into Window and I can select my Minecraft. That's going to record just my Minecraft window for me. So now it's recording my Minecraft and I can do the first scene. I don't have to record all 2 minutes at once. So I can start off with, "Welcome to our world. This is our Turtle Recovery Center. One of the problems that we wanted to address was the lack of habitat for sea turtles and the destruction of turtle nesting sites." Then I can go back into Flipgrid and I can stop sharing. And here's what's going to happen. So now it's recording my Minecraft. So there it's starting to play back, and you can see there's a lot of stuff in there that I don't want in my final recording. So what I can do is click here, and you see how it's got these 2 blue bars now. I can adjust those to select just what I want as the start of the clip. So I'm going to advance my playhead to about where it starts. I'm going to adjust it. "Welcome to our world. This is our Turtle Recovery Center. One of the problems that we wanted to address was the lack of habitat for sea turtles and the destruction of turtle nesting sites." So now that's where I want it to end. I can drag the end bar there, and again, I'm just going to check and make sure that it's exactly where I want it to be. Turtle nesting sites. And I can get another second out of there, I think. Of turtle nesting sites. Perfect. So I'm going to confirm that. It's going to play it one more time. "Welcome to our world. This is our Turtle Recovery Center. One of the problems that we wanted to address was the lack of habitat for sea turtles and the destruction of turtle nesting sites." Okay, so now we can see that I've only used 15 seconds of my 2-minute limit. So now I can add more. So again, I'm going to record my screen. If Minecraft doesn't show up, you may have to reopen it and just get it into the foreground, and then it should show up in this list. There it is now. Okay, and it's recording, so I'm going to go on to the next thing that I want to share. This paddock is for transportation around the research center. We also use all of the manure from the animals as compost for the farms that provide food to our community. And now I'm going to stop sharing again. So now I'm going to edit the second clip. This paddock is for transport. This paddock is for transportation around the research center. We also use food to our community. I can get another second out of there. provide food to our community. Welcome to our world. This is our Turtle Recovery Center. One of the problems that we wanted to address was the lack of habitat for sea turtles and the destruction of turtle nesting sites. This paddock is for transportation around the research center. We also use all of the manure from the animals as compost for the farms that provide food to our community. So here's a neat little trick you can do instead of recording your screen if you want to get some statistics on the screen. So instead of going into options and record screen, instead you're going to go into where it says backdrop, and you're going to use screen as backdrop, and you're going to select your Minecraft. So now my Minecraft is my backdrop. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the window that has me, and I'm just going to move it off to the side so I disappear. Now what I can do is go into Effects. I can add whatever text I want. And when I'm done that, I can shrink it if I want to. I can move it up into the corner. So now my text is on the screen. Now all I have to do is hit record, switch over to Minecraft, record the scene that I want to record, and now it should be recorded with the statistics on the screen. Record the scene that I want to record, and again, I can keep going and add more until I have my 2 minutes done. I can add music to the final product if I want. Welcome to our world. I can adjust the volume. This is our Turtle Recovery Center. One of the problems that we wanted to address was and then when my video is complete, I will go to next. I will add a description with my team name. I'm going to make this one up because I'm not on an official team. Team Unicorns. And then I am going to submit. So you can record as many copies of this video as you want, and they will show up in the list of submission responses. When you have one that you are happy with that addresses all of these categories that you can see in the description for this video, then just add a comment to the video to let me know that that video is the one that you want to use.